Well students, topic of the video is binomial theorem. This is our second lecture on this topic. In the first lecture we discussed formulas and expansion, and in the second lecture we discussed sums. So write down the binomial expansion of x by 3 plus 2 by y whole to the power 4. In the last video we discussed formulas of a plus x whole to the power n is nc0, a to the power n minus 0, x to the power 0, nc1, a to the power n minus 1, x to the power 1 plus dot dot ncn, a to the power n minus n, x to the power n. By using this formula on this, x by 3 plus 2 by y whole to the power 4. Here n equals to 4, a equals to x by 3 and x equals to 2 by y. By using this expansion we can write 4c0 x by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 0 2 by y whole to the power 0. 4c1 x by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 1 2 by y whole to the power 1. 4c2 x by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 2 2 by y whole square plus 4c3 x by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 3 2 by y whole to the power 3. 4c4 x by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 4 2 by y whole to the power 4. So 4c0 is 1, x by 3 whole to the power 4 is x to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. 2 by y whole to the power 0 is 1. So in the next term 4c1 is 4. That's for example nc1 is 1, we discussed in the previous video. So 4c x to the power x by 3 whole to the power 3 x cube by 3 cube into 2 by y plus 4c2 is n into n minus nc2 is n into n minus 2. So 4c2 is 4 into 4 minus 1 means 3 by 2 x by 3 whole to the power square. So x square by 3 square into 2 by y square. So 2 square by y square plus 4c3 ncr equal ncr minus 1. So 4c3 equal 4c1. 4c1 is 4. So 4 into x by 3 whole to the power 1. So x by 3 into 2 cube by y cube plus 4c4 is 1 because ncn is 1. So x by 3 whole to the power 0 is it is also equals to 1. So 2 to the power 4 by y to the power 4. This is our final answer. The next sum is find the 10th term in the expansion of 3a plus 2 by a whole to the power 12. In the theory part we discussed that if the binomial thing is a plus x to the power n, then t of r plus 1 means r plus 1th term of that expansion is equals to ncr a to the power n minus r x to the power r. So 10th term, so t10 equals to t of 9 plus 1. So t of 9 plus 1 is 12c9 3a whole to the power 12 minus 9 2 by a whole to the power 9. 12c9 equals to by the property ncr equals to nc n minus r. So 12c9 is equals to 12c 12 minus 9 is 3. Now 3a 3 to the power 3 into a to the power 3 2 to the power 9 by a to the power 9. 12c3 is nc3. Formula of nc3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. So 12c3 is equals to 12 into 12 minus 1, that is 11, 12 minus 2, that is 10 by 6 into 3 to the power 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into a to the power 9 by a to the power 9 minus 3, a to the power 6 by cancellation. So 2 into 11 22, 220 into 3 cube into 2 to the power 9 by a to the power 6. This is our final answer, or you can calculate the term. The next sum is, third sum is, find the term from the end in the expansion of 4x by 5 minus 5 by 2x whole to the power 8. So here n equals to 8. Third term from the end is equals to t of n minus r plus 2. So t of 8 minus 3 plus 2. So t of 8 minus 3, 5 to 7. T of 7. T of 7 can be written as t of 6 plus 1. So t of 6 plus 1 of this term is 8c6 4x by 5 whole to the power 8 minus 6 and minus 5 by 2x whole to the power 6. So 8c66 8c2 by the property NCR equals to NC n minus r. So 8c6 equals to 8c 8 minus 6, so 8c2, and 4 square, 8 minus 6 is 2, 4 square into x square by 5a square into minus 5 to the whole to the power 6 is 5 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 6 into x to the power 6. So 8c2 is n into nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. So 8 into 7 by 2 equal into 4 square into 5 to the power 5 square 5 to the 5 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 6 into 1 by x to the power 4. This is final answer. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums.